Coming soon to theaters.
Miramax Films presents Polly Walker, Vincent Perez, Franco Nero, Talk of Angels.
Coming soon to video cassette.
A woman of courage.
Who is Mr. Rochester?
The master of this house.
A man of power.
Do you think me handsome?
No, sir.
The passion that brought them together.
Stay at Thornfield. Be my wife.
And the secret
All is not gold that glitters.
that could tear them apart.
I have spent the last 15 years in torment.
Miramax Films presents the legend of Jane Eyre. Rated PG. From the Academy Award-winning creator of Cinema Paradiso comes a new motion picture about the golden age of cinema. Everyone dreams of becoming a movie star. And there is one man who promises to make all of their dreams come true. The Star Maker. A talent scout traveling from town to town, looking for the perfect face, searching for the next sensation. And along the way, he'll fall in love with a beautiful woman who will show him the meaning of magic. The Star Maker, a film by Giuseppe Tornatore. Winner's Special Jury Prize, Venice Film Festival.
Now available on CD and cassette.
Available now. Restoration, the soundtrack, with music by James Newton Howard and original pieces by Henry Purcell. A lush and moving score, which interweaves modern orchestrations with authentic 17th century Baroque compositions and instruments. The Restoration soundtrack, on Milan CDs and cassettes, at stores everywhere.
And now, our feature presentation.